back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Shauna the MUA, owner of SLR Beauty. Today I'll be filming a makeup removal. So today I'll be taking off my makeup using a few new products. So I'm going to be recording this for YouTube and for IGTV. So if you're not following me or if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please head over to my YouTube, Shauna the MUA, and subscribe. And then if you are on YouTube and you're not following me on Instagram, please go ahead and follow me at Shauna the MUA and at SLR Beauty _. So the two products that I will be comparing today, I do have 3 makeup removers that I do need to try out and test. I do have the Rose Gold Beauty, which is an oil cleanser. I won't be using this one today just because it's not a balm. Today I'll be reviewing 2 different balms that were given to me. Well, one was given to me, the other one I purchased. So the first one is the Clinique, which is the Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. The lightweight cleansing balm quickly dissolves, transforms from a solid balm to a silky fluid oil upon application. Cleanse thoroughly, non-greasy, non-drying for all skin types. Use fingertips to massage balm over dry skin and then rinse well. So I'll be doing the Clinique Take the Day Off on one side of my face. And then the next product is the Monet makeup vanishing cream. So this is a melting makeup remover, dissolving and softening. It came in this box, as you can see here. It does have a few things that are in the kit. So let's go ahead and open this up, which I already did before. So in the Monet makeup vanishing balm, you get a cloth to remove your makeup, and then in the box you also get, so you have the makeup vanishing balm, which is 2.6 fluid ounce. So you have 2.6 fluid ounce versus the big size of the Take the Day Off. This one is 3.8 ounces, 3.8 ounces. So you do get more in the Clinique. With the cleansing balm from Monet, or a makeup vanishing balm, how to use, it states, scoop a generous amount and emulsify in the palms of your hand. Massage into skin with gentle upward and outward circular motions. Focus on areas needing attention. Rinse with water or wipe off with a warm, damp washcloth. With this, let me see. Again, this is a lightweight balm, melts into a silky cleansing oil as you massage over your skin. Then it transforms into a milky lather that rinses clean when water is applied for fresh, soft skin. Some ingredients, let's see. It says, we say no to toxic ingredients, cruelty-free, and is vegan. I'm not gonna go into real ingredients. You guys could look into that if you're sensitive to certain ingredients. But yeah, let's go ahead and take this makeup off. These flirty lashes. Again, I'm doing on this side of my face. This is removed. Now, if you do have sensitive eyes, my eyes did kind of tingle a little bit, and that's just because my eyes are dry. But this is how the Clinique cleansing balm works. I would say right now it took off, you know, all of my makeup for the most part. I would say it did pretty well at taking off the makeup. Now, the true test is going to be when I use my toner. So next, I am going to take the Monet and I'm going to use it on this side of my face. Now with the Monet one, it also comes with this little spatula so that you could just scoop out the balm. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm just going to take some of that, put it on my hand. And rub it into my skin just like I did the Clinique. Trying to make sure all of this mascara comes off and glue. Alright. And now I'm going to use the cloth that was provided and wipe this away. I will say that I like that there's a cloth for you to remove the makeup with. So if you're not by a sink, like right now I'm not by a sink, I'm not recording in my bathroom. So I do like the fact that with Monet, you do have a cloth. They provide you with a cloth so that you can remove your makeup. So it does help because you can really get in there after melting it off and wipe your face. So now I am going to rinse off my face, fully wash my face, and then I am going to use my toner and we're going to see if it really took off everything. So I'm gonna be right back. I already washed my face, so now I am going to tone with the Thayers. This one is the Rose Petal. So I'm going to take it down the right side of my face. And as you can see, there's barely anything on my cotton round. Now I am going to take the other side and I'm going to wipe the side with the Monet. And as you can see, there's nothing on my cotton round. So both cleansers did take off the makeup. I had no residue because sometimes when you use a makeup wipe and you cleanse your face, sometimes there's still residue left on your face depending on what your cleanser is or depending on how well that makeup remover took off your makeup. The cleanser that I used was just a bar soap from Salt.xo that I've been using, so I'm just going to finish that. So after I remove that, I cleanse my skin, and then now I use my toner, and then now I'm just going to use my Fenty Fat Water, and I'm going to put this serum all over. And then after that, I am going to use, and this is to help with blemishes, I'm going to use this by The Ordinary. The Ordinary have different serums, so you really just have to see which one is best for you. So now I am going to use the Be Balance. This is a Be Balance Lightweight Moisturizer. And I'm just going to apply that all over. I think I put too much, but it's alright. Oh, this moisturizer is hydrating. It's not tacky or anything. I am breaking out. Anyways, so yeah. So I use a moisturizer to be balanced, and then now I'm going to use the Eye Smooth Nourishing Eye Cream from Monet. Let's see, let me try not to squirt out too much. So I'm going to put it on my ring finger and apply it underneath my eye. It does have a little scent to it. Putting it on top of my eye. Alright, and my skin is all prepped for nighttime. So my skin is feeling very clean, very fresh. This is the final look. Alright, so just to recap, again, I used 2 cleansing balms today, one from Clinique and one from Monet. My final review on these 2 cleansing balms, honestly, they work kind of the same. There's no big difference minus probably the pricing, and I'm going to find that out for you right now. So the Monet cleansing balm, the Vanishing Balm retails for $65. If you're a VIP customer, it's $55. And then the Clinique cleansing balm is $31. So you're comparing a larger quantity, 3.8 ounce, for $31 with Clinique, and then you're comparing the Monet, which is 2.6 fluid ounce, and this one is retail for $65. You do get additional items with the Monet, so you get the spatula, and then you also get the cleansing cloth that you could reuse. You could wash it and reuse it. So to each its own as far as, you know, which one is going to work better for you. Honestly, both of them work the same to me. I got the same results. My face is clean. It melted down my makeup, so it did the same things. As far as scents, the Clinique doesn't have a scent to it. The Monet doesn't really have a scent either. At first I thought it did, but it doesn't really have a scent. Neither has a scent to it, so either one is good to go. If you are interested in the Monet, hit up my girl AJ. I'll go ahead and link her down below. The Clinique, you know, either or is good. So that is my final review. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you would like to see more of these videos, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube, follow me on Instagram, both of my pages, and yeah, bye you guys.